Hello students, good morning to one and all. In last session, we discussed about problems of exercise 5.1, that means 2080 problem. 2080 problems. Okay. In this session, we have to discuss, only one problem is there. We have to discuss that one problem. After that, we have to go for differentiation. Okay. After 2080, next concept is differentiation. Okay. This is a very important problem. Find the value of k only. F of x is equal to k cos x divided by pi minus 2x 3 if x not equal to pi by 2, if x is equal to pi by 2 at x is equal to pi by 2. Okay. So this problem is very important. Okay. So in board exam they asked nearly 3 times. F of x is equal to k cos x divided by pi minus 2x. If x not equal to pi by 2, 3 if x is equal to pi by 2 is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. Okay. So already they told f is continuous. Okay. F is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. Okay. That means LHL equals to RHL equals to limit x tends to pi by 2 f of x. Okay. That is, what is LHL? X not equal to pi by 2 means x less than pi by 2, x greater than pi by 2. X less than pi by 2 is this function, x greater than pi by 2 is this function. LHL equals RHL equals limit x tends to pi by 2 f of x. That is, limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x equals to limit x tends to pi by 2 plus f of x equals to limit x tends to pi by 2 f of x. Okay. That is, limit x tends to pi by 2 minus, what is f of x? This one only. That is k cos x divided by pi minus 2x. So LHL only this function, RHL only this function. That is, limit x tends to pi by 2 plus k cos x divided by pi minus 2x equals to limit x tends to pi by 2 3. So these two are equal, you take any one. That is, limit x tends to pi by 2 minus k cos x divided by pi minus 2x. That means limit of constant is what? Constant. Okay. That means here put x is equal to pi by 2 plus h. Okay. So put x is equal to pi by 2 plus h. Here, what is x value? If x tends to pi by 2 means, that is, x tends to what? 0. Okay. That is, if x value, instead of x value you have to put pi by 2 means pi by 2 gets cancelled, that is h value is 0. These values substitute in this equation. That is, limit x tends to pi by 2 means what? H tends to 0. K cross of, what is x value? Pi by 2 plus h. Okay. Cos pi by 2 plus h. So divide by that is pi as it is minus 2 into x value is pi by 2 plus h. Okay. Is equal to 3. Limit x tends to 0 k cos 90 plus theta. Cos 90 plus theta present in second quadrant, that is cos is negative. Okay. That is, cos 90 plus theta is change. Change means that is minus sin h. Okay. Divide by, here pi as it is minus minus 2 cancel, minus pi, minus into plus minus h. So is equal to 3. Pi cancel. Limit h tends to 0 minus k sin h divided by minus h is equal to 3. Minus cancel. So here, sorry, 2 into h, 2h. 2 into h, 2h. Okay, I mean minus gets cancel. Here we have to apply limits and derivatives theorem. That is, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x form is there. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x form is there. But instead of x, here h is there. Limit h tends to 0, sin h by h, that is equal to what? 1. Therefore, k by 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, k is equal to 6. This is the value. Okay. Once again, observe the children. That is, we have to find the value of k. F of x is equal to k cos x divided by pi minus 2x. X not equal to pi by 2 means less than pi by 2, greater than pi by 2. If x is equal to pi by 2 means 3. If f is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2, LHL equals to RHL equals to limit x tends to pi by 2 f of x. Okay, substitute the functions. Okay, and finally you will get that is these two are equal. You have to take ones, that is k cos x divided by pi minus 2x. Okay, from here observe carefully, put x is equal to pi by 2 plus h. If what is the limit? X is equal to pi by 2. If x is equal to pi by 2, substitute this in this equation. H value is equal to what? 0. That is, limit h tends to 0, k cos of x value is pi by 2 plus h divided by, so pi as it is minus 2 into pi by 2 plus h. K into cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. So 2 cancel, pi minus 2h is equal to 3. Pi cancel. Limit h tends to 0, k sin h by h minus cancel. This value is equal to what? 1. Therefore k by 2 is equal to 3, k is equal to 6. Okay. So I mean this is a solution of this problem. Continuity concept is closed. Okay. Next, in this continuity they will ask only 4 marks. Okay, but in JE or in objective or in CET they will ask one question for continuity. Okay, without continuity we can't learn, we can't study differentiation, differentiability, integration, differential equations for any calculus part. Okay, continuity concept is very important. Okay, we will move on. Differentiation. Dear children, already you learnt about limits and derivatives. In the derivatives, you studied first principle of differentiation. Okay, first principle of differentiation, that is derivative of sin x, derivative of cos x, derivative of tan x, derivative of cosecant x, derivative of secant x, derivative of cot x, product rule, quotient rule, and derivative of polynomial, derivative of for any term, okay, derivative of constant. These concepts you studied. So here differentiation is different, differentiability is different. I will discuss one by one. What is differentiation? What is differentiability? Okay. Now come to differentiation. Come to differentiation. Differ, in the word only answer is there. Differentiation. Okay, that means you have to separate the variables, separate the function, differ. Okay, differ. So differ means separating. Okay, so I mean in our college, commerce students is there, science students is there, but so science students and commerce students will not sit in one room. Okay, so they will sit their room, and commerce students sit so another room, science students will sit another room. That is separation. Okay, here differentiation is different, integration is different. Okay, so I will ask one question for one student. Okay, which is your college? My college is SDC. That SDC college is integration. Okay, so and again SDC college is SDC college is integration. I'll ask one student, which is your college? My college is so SDC college. That SDC college is integration. But I will ask another student, which is your combination? My combination is PCMB. I will ask another student, my combination is EBACS or commerce. I will ask another student, my combination is EBAS. Okay, I will ask another student, so my combination is PCMCS. But this PCMB combination, PCMCS combination and EBACS, these four combinations available in SDC college. Okay, this SDC college is integration. In this SDC college, I will separate these students are PCMB students. These students are PCM students. Okay, PCMB students, you sit in one room number 1. PCMCS students, you have to sit in room number 2. So and EBACS students, you have to sit in room number 3. I mean they'll enter to at a time SDC college. Our SDC college is integration, but here courses is there, no? These courses are differentiation. Okay, that means integration means summation. The differentiation means separation. Okay, I'll give one more example. I have bike. Okay, so I'll start the bike. Suppose I have gear bike. So I'll start the bike means and again I have to change the gear. Then only it will go. Otherwise it will not go. Okay, so I'll change the gear. It will go. Nearly speed 20 kilometer per hour. And again change the gear. Again it will go. Speed is increases. And again change the gear, speed is increases, and again change the gear, speed is increases. This is whenever gear changes, speed also changes. Okay, whenever gear changes, speed also changes. This phenomena is there, no? This phenomena, when first gear is there, speed is that is 20 km per hour. Next second gear is there, 30 km per hour. Next gear is there, 40 km per hour. Next gear is there, 60 km per hour. Whenever gear changes, speed also changes. That means this phenomena is nothing but differentiation. Okay, changing of variables or changing of phenomena. Changing phenomena is nothing but differentiation. Here, come to in our mathematics, y is equal to f of x. Here, y is equal to f of x is a function. F of x is equal to function. Now, already I told differ, d, that is d by dx. This is differ. What is function? Y. dy by dx. This dy by dx is called derivative. This dy by dx is called what? Derivative. Here d by dx is nothing but rate of change of. That is dy by dx is called derivative. D by dx is the rate of change of. Here y is called dependent variable, x is called independent variable. Okay, this dy by dx is derivative. So here d by dx is nothing but the rate of change of. Okay, that means here y is dependent variable, x is independent variable. That means this dy by dx is called what? Derivative. Here dy by dx means the rate of change of y, the rate of change of y with respect to x is called differentiation. Suppose I will take dz by dx. Here the rate of change of z with respect to x. This is also differentiation. When you will come for physics, already you studied velocity. So velocity means here that is the rate of change of displacement, that is ds by dt. Okay, observe children, that is the rate of change of displacement with respect to time is called velocity. This is also derivative. Okay, the rate of change of displacement with respect to time. This displacement is depending upon what? Time. Okay, that means here s is displacement, t is time, the rate of change of displacement with respect to time. This is also differentiation. When you come for acceleration, acceleration is dv by dt. The rate of change of velocity with respect to time is called acceleration. This is also called derivative. Okay, this is also called what? Derivative. So here dy by dx, dz by dx, ds by dt, dv by dt, dy by dx, dz by dx, ds by dt, dv by dt. Next, suppose this is also derivative, this is also derivative, this is also derivative, this is also derivative. That is d by dx of dy by dx. Okay, you will get d into d, d square, dx into dx, dx square, d square y by dx square, and again d by dx of d by dx of d square y by dx square, that is d into d square, d into d square is d cube y divided by dx into dx square is, that is dx cube. See children, here the process of see here y is f of x is there, the dy by dx, d square by dx square, d cube y by dx cube. The process of finding the derivatives, is called differentiation. Okay, differentiation is different, differentiability is different. Okay, so don't confuse differentiation and differentiability, not both are same. Okay, so differentiation is different, differentiability is different. Differentiation means that is the process of finding the derivatives is called differentiation. In this differentiation, it having technical definition and basic definition. What is basic definition means the rate of change of y with respect to x. So this velocity also differentiation. Okay, that is the rate of change of displacement with respect to time, the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Okay, so the process of finding the derivatives is there. No, this is called differentiation. Okay, but already I told technical definition of differentiation. So technical definition for differentiation is to find in the slope of the tangent of the curve. Okay, to find in the slope of the tangent of the curve is called differentiation. The rate of change of y with respect to x is called differentiation. Okay, this is basic definition. Next, to find the slope of the tangent is that is technical definition. Now we will move on. First principle, formulas